Sparky Sparks here, and I have new hair. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to run you through this. This is Sky by Noriko in a brand new color, so stay tuned. Thank you for joining me here on my channel today. Oh my goodness, if you're new, please subscribe. Push that subscribe button and also the little bell for the reminders. So when I drop new video, you'll get a reminder. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad you're here. You're in the right place. If you're thinking about wigs, you've landed in the right place. And if you already wear wigs, you're also in the right place because I want to hear your thoughts. This is Sky from Noriko. And what happened is Wigs.com got together and came up with their own brand new color called Arabian Sand. And this is the color. Now, you know who you are, one of my followers, and this color, you have to have this color. I think this is you. This is supposed to look good on everyone, and I'm gonna say, I think it does. As you scroll through social media, if you Google Arabian Sand, you will see this color on so many different skin types, skin colors, ages, stages, all the things. So it's absolutely gorgeous. Sky is a basic cap. This is a really affordable wig, and she looks the tens, I'm telling you. My goodness, I wear this style for a lot of functions, especially when I'm really dressed up. It's just, it gives that sophisticated, you know, that just frosting on the cake. It's just beautiful. Now, I'm not going to bother taking this off because it's a basic cap and I'm set for the day. I'm going to go have lunch with some of my lady friends, and this is just stunning. My goodness, I would love to know your thoughts. Now, I have written a book. It's called Wig Wisdom, and it's in, you can click on the link in my profile here. I've also started a business called An Affair with Hair, and I basically help women who are going through this hair situation. If you've lost your hair through age or pregnancy, at both ends of the spectrum, right? Or through disease, I'm here for you. Got lots of tips. I've been doing this for 3 years now and wearing wigs full time for 2. So actually going on 3 years this year. So I won't leave the house really without a wig on. Why not? I mean, it's like throwing on a ball cap. So I love it. I'm letting you kind of see as I turn around. It's so easy. It's so fun. There is a huge movement, ladies, that women are wearing wigs, and men are starting to wear wigs, not toupees, but full-on wigs, because the self-confidence you get when you put on your wig, holy heck, it's just phenomenal. Look at my face. I'm just like stunned. This has been sitting on my counter all day, and I finally got time to open it up and show this to you, and I don't want to take it off. Thank you, Noriko. Thank you, Wigs.com. Gorgeous color. I can't wait to try this color in some other styles because, oh, you know how I like my long hair. So this is going to be a stunning one. Thanks again for joining. Make sure you subscribe and follow me, and let's stay connected. This is a new era of women taking control of what they can't control, which is our hair. We can control our weight sometimes. We can control our fitness sometimes, but we can never really do much about our hair. And if you've been trying and you've been that girl like me where, I mean, I've tried everything, perms, extensions, the whole deal. Throw on a wig, it's super easy, and follow my other channel, my other posts, and you'll see how easy. Again, thanks for joining me today. Mwah.